Hi, welcome to Understanding the Power Within, simply, easily. Today we're talking about connections, how we are all connected, always and forever. We are all connected. We are all one, and there is no separation. Many think when they look at another, judge another, that it does not affect them. They feel themselves to be different, maybe a little better, disconnected possibly from the other being, this other person, but they are not. Do unto another as you would do unto you is so important to understand, yet most do not, passing judgment, thinking that they know the things that they do not. For they are walking in their own footsteps. They have not lived in the life of another. And each soul, it's on its own journey. To allow them the space, the time, to understand what it is that they are here to learn is part of the learning process for all. To understand that learning to love, to be love, is the end goal. For our Creator, our life source is love and only love. And this is the core of our being. We feel off. We cannot feel the realness of contentment when we are not in harmony with our life source. We may think we're content. We may think that we are happy. But if we are in a state of judging another, if we are in a state of trying to control another through our judgments, through our beliefs, not letting them be who they are and encouraging the ways that they are different, but instead disliking or not tolerating the difference, we are off course. We're not serving ourselves, and we're not serving another. This is a journey of many lifetimes, for we each take on a different role, a different aspect in learning, in understanding, in each life lived. To realize that we are every personality we meet, to realize that we are no different than anyone, in the end, is to grow in a way that is immeasurable. Do unto another is doing unto oneself. For when you judge, when you think you know, you do not. And when you do not know, you slow down the growth that you came here to accomplish. You're dimming the light, slowing down the growth of your soul, for you are not in harmony with the life source within. And this is the purpose, the goal in all of this, to grow your soul, to allow yourself, your soul to become. To become is to allow the likeness and image of your Maker to show through you. And the only likeness, the only image that your Maker has is that of love. So when you are walking around, when you are working, when you are enjoying a night out, when you are thinking, when you are seeing anyone, anywhere, and you are judging who they look like, what they look like, when you are judging the aspects of them, you are not in harmony with your life source. These other beings maybe don't have the same thought process as you. There's nothing wrong with that. Know that you can leave them be without judgment, without thinking thoughts that are not of love about them. You can bless them. You can offer them thoughts of love, and you can walk away. They do not have to be in your life if they are not in harmony with you, but you must bless them. You must offer the love that your Creator has within. You must offer the light that lives within you, that is glowing within, waiting to illuminate through you. You must offer this to whomever you see, for this is the way of life. This is the way of your life source becoming through you. This is how you grow. This is how you become. And this is how you set the example. This is how you grow love in this world, love in this life. And this is how this world becomes more at peace. And this is where you find peace of mind. This is where you find your true essence. For some, this may seem hard. For some, this may seem impossible, for they may have many around them that they do not care for. They have just set their task a bit higher than others, for they have set the task of this life before they arrived here. They are strong people, strong souls, knowing that when they get here, they can do it. You can do it. You can show the world the life source within your being by showing kindness, generosity, by showing anything that is good, anything that is of love and light. So as you walk through your day, be it a person you know or be it a person that you've never met before, offer this light that lives within you. Offer the trueness of the life source who creates through you. Give love, give loving thoughts, loving vibes at all times, as much as you possibly can. You may not be perfect, for you are here and you are learning, and this is a good thing. Your best learning will be to understand the life source in you is love and only love. And the life source in you wants you to share this source of love to all those who surround you. Take the time every day to rest your mind, to calm your mind. Breathe in that white source of love and breathe out the gray matter that does not serve you. 15 minutes in the morning, 15 minutes in the evening. Just breathe in slowly that white, pure love and breathe out the gray matter that does not serve you. Our wish for you is love in your life, peace in your mind, and joy in your soul.